Struggling to find the right IT team for your business? Should you go offshore to save costs, onshore for seamless collaboration, or choose a blended model for the best of both worlds? Let's break it down. Offshore. Cost-effective, access to global talent, and 24/7 productivity. Onshore. Real-time collaboration and cultural alignment, but at a higher cost. Blended. A strategic mix of both, balancing cost and efficiency. At Pivotal Leap, we eliminate the challenges of each model by ensuring time zone alignment for smooth communication, dedicated project managers for streamlined workflows, flexible engagement models tailored to your needs. No matter your choice, offshore, onshore, or blended, we make sure your team is available when you need them. Ready to optimize your IT budget without compromising quality? Let's build your ideal IT team today. Contact Pivotal Leap now. Check the link in the description to learn more.